we decided to take y'all on a little ride to Costa del Este today. I hope you like it. So this here is the south, right? The corridor sur.
Right.
It's the corridor south.
The new price mart in this area down here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We got like an exercise where people come walk. That's where Mario go and exercise.
Oh, okay. Is this a lane?
Yeah. This is the houses we was looking at.
The one Gene was going by?
No. When we was looking at
So that's where, this is where the Ashley furniture is.
Yes, that's Versailles.
The Ashley furniture I was talking about. That's where we got our furniture.
Right.
Got our furniture right there. It's pretty good quality. It's an American furniture store. What is that? Oh, I can't see it now. What is the? Oh, this is a new sports complex.
Yes.
What, for football?
Yeah, with that soccer, people walk the tracks.
So is this okay? It's the new Price Mart. It's like our Costco. I guess that's development over there. Is this Costa Este?
Yeah.
It's a lot of development over there. So it's more city-like.
This is a landfill. Yeah, nothing that exists. Neighborhood where we're supposed to be looking for. Okay, going to show us this part of the neighborhood. See, it says Santa Maria. Costa del Este. So see all that's a neighborhood that he was talking about that they were showing all this stuff.
In half a mile, exit right.
And
This neighborhood over here is a little more high end, right?
Yeah, that's the one we looked at the map.
Right.
Exit on Via Costa del Este.
They got it right here.
So this is Santa Maria BD. So it's a different Santa Maria. You said the Ford runabout. So we need to go back this way.
Center.
I think this is the
In 1,000 feet, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Antigua. Something about this area makes me think of Jersey.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on Costa Dorada.
I'm trying to think what this
turn
puts
right.
me in the mind of. I don't know if it's a beach community.
Turn left.
Tower. Soho Tower. Torah Al. So there's a lot of
Construction, condos, and everything.
yeah, a lot of living space out here.
Turn right.
A
Then
lot of
turn
high
left.
rise type things. But it looks like they have a mixture too. Because they have the single family. Looks like they have single family home communities as well.
Those high rise condos are expensive. Those ones, what they have. This is a plastic.
Yeah.
This is
Turn left.
This is Times Square Center. That's town center right there.
right.
In 900 feet,
Well,
you'll
this
arrive
right here.
at Town Center Costa del Este. Your destination will be on your right.
Are they
Exit is
open?
closed. Let's see.
This is the town center.
Yeah, I'm gonna
So okay, so this is really cool.
Yeah.
You have your living. This is like really great when you can just walk this stuff. I love to walking this stuff. Is there a beach on the other side?
But it's not so much beach there.
So what?
It's not where you can go swimming. You have your yacht and stuff. When there are people that go swimming there. They're talking about putting white sand in that area.
You've arrived. Destination is in your right.
I'm trying to see what's it. The rest around.
Well, this mall, we were gonna come and eat here, but they shut this mall down until the next phase. And I think that's probably gonna be February. I think the next phase starts February 1st. There's another skyscraper. Oh my God, that's big. That's way up there.
See, the restaurant is right in the corner there.
Okay, so this is
You want to grab
Costa del Este.
You can go up and
I just feel like there should be a beach on the other side.
But the water's on the other side, but it's not one of those swimming
So
pools.
it's not swimming water, but
Yes.
can you go out and sit?
I don't know.
You know.
I don't know.
I'm not talking about right now. I'm just
I say I don't know.
okay. I don't know. Maybe it reminds me of Florida. I think that's what it is. It reminds me of someplace I've been in Florida. Here, it's really pretty.
So I want to show you. This way, that's my dad's house.
Okay.
Turn over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to call our land and see if we can pick up the shirt.
Pick up the what?
The shirt. I have to actually land there.
This is like a resort community almost. Feels like. It's nice though. I love all the trees. I love all the palm trees. don't hear no horns.
Yeah,
They must have a serious horn ordinance here. Y'all in Panama, people like to blow their horns. So there's some areas that say, don't blow your horn.
These are the Plaza del Este.
Okay. That's a shopping plaza, or is that living?
Well, it has several things called the Lexus.
Oh, okay. So it's a lot of high-end retail and stuff out here.
We want to get up in here. This is at the plaza. This is where they have the, I think this is where we want to have the company plaza.
It's a COVID testing site right there. And there's the Porsche dealership.
It's like medication.
It's like medical, like near the doctors. Is it a hospital around here?
Yeah.
Is this still Costa del Este?
Yeah, now we come into Atlapa, you know.
Atlapa,
Yeah, remember
where we had the
yes,
event?
it's that way.
Okay. Wow. That's the Sheraton is over there. So we're coming into the Atlapa area.
No, it's that way.
Oh, okay. So are we still in Costa del Este? No? Okay.
This is San Gerardo. So this avenue is Avenida Principal de Costa del Este.
Okay.
This is Costa del Este Principal Avenue.